Allah informs in Surah Hajj 73, I seek refuge in Allah from the cursed Satan. Mankind, an example has been made, so listen to it carefully. Those whom you call upon besides Allah are not even able to create a single fly, even if they were to join together to do it. And if a fly steals something from them, they cannot get it back. How feeble are both the seeker and the sought. Now I will show a video film about a fly, and it's a miraculous creation by Allah. It's really important that people should be thinking about the details and should be contemplating with thinking into the details, because when a person considers a fly, actually they may think that it is a very minute creature that they are able to kill with a shake of their hand. However, we can see in this film that this is a computer program, and the drawings made are in order to picture the three-dimensional structure of the fly. And if possible, we may watch the entire film. As you can see here, we are now moving into the details, and the scientists need to point much more places in order to show the details of the three-dimensional structure. Now you can see that on this film, the different forms of the fly are shown in their three-dimensional form. This is the third minute of this film. We are just moving forward. We are looking here and seeing the eye structure of the fly, and the design here is going on. The three-dimensional structure of the head is forming, and there are so many details on the head. We are on the 7th minute. Now there are the hair on the fly's head, actually, which has a mathematical symmetry and mathematical proportion. It has a certain angle, and it is totally symmetrical. It has a mathematical perfection here. We are on the 8th minute. These are all being carried out through definite calculations through this computer program. Let us just move forward. We are coming to the legs right now, and there is a great design here on the legs of the fly. This is actually a video that we are on the 9th minute. With the wings, they were able to complete the three-dimensional form of this fly, and all the body hair is also drawn one by one by means of this computer program. So anybody who has any time could be viewing this film maybe much more in detail. Allah gives us the fly as an example to make people realize of their own weaknesses. And Allah creates so many miracles in only one creature, and all these hairs on top of that fly is created with a certain wisdom. Its water-holding properties, its sequence, its placement on the back of the fly, so that it gives certain attributes for that to fly in a certain way. Even if we are seeing the details of this design, and even if all the technology is used in the laboratories and the highly educated professors are working in these laboratories, they are not able to reproduce a robot that could fly like this insect. It cannot able to fly, it cannot land, it cannot move to the direction that is required. Even if we know the details of this design, people are not able to replicate this design by any technology. They are using certain software. They are employing different scientists, different trained people, and spending so many millions of dollars just to understand how that fly is designed, how that fly is created. And tens of years are required, and tens of year work is required for understanding these capabilities of the fly. However, it is very apparent that for 400 million years, this fly has been existing with its current qualities, with its total perfection, with its perfect eye structure, and for 400 million years, it is still the same. It has a great maneuver capability while flying. It may just change to any direction, and it may land on any place that it wants.